Watch what happens here. We're gonna line it up. It's super strong. We'll take our gaming headset and it just hangs right in place right there. Not gonna fall off or anything like that. Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm gonna be taking a look at the coolermaster gem. This is one of their master accessories. They did send me this sample, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. Here's a look at the retail box and packaging. Everything looks really nice. So you can use this product with its powerful magnet to hold your headphones, any sort of peripherals like that. There's a magnetic option, you can use that mount, or there's a non-magnetic option as long as the material is less than 4 millimeters thick, and this supports any item up to 4 pounds. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the contents. Here are all the contents. First up, we have our warranty information bundled directly into our product packaging. Pretty creative, I like that. You may notice too, we have the white and black versions available for this product. Get the one that matches your accessories. Then we have our user guide and manual walking us through the contents, as well as our different installation options. First up, we have our non-magnetic installation setup instructions right there. And then on the back, we have our magnetic installation instructions, as well as how to use the cable management that's built in, and some disassembly instructions for you. Lastly, we have the product itself. Take a look. We have the black version here with our gray accents, or you can get the white version that will be white where the black is. Everything else will still be the gray that you see here. coolermaster's logo and branding all throughout. Love the little subtle logo cues there. And then in the back, we have our big magnet. Look at that. More coolermaster logos. So cool. What a really clever and neat design. So first up, we could just stick this on anywhere that's magnetized. And if not, as long as it's less than 4 millimeters thick, you get the idea there. We have a really strong magnet. We can use this little adhesive strip, attach it to one side, and then this will stick to the other side. Now let's go ahead and try it out. All right, we got our PC case right here. Let's go ahead. We're just gonna use the magnetic mount. Watch what happens here. We're gonna line it up. It's super strong. We'll take our gaming headset and it just hangs right in place right there. Not gonna fall off or anything like that. So cool. I mean, look at that. Come on, you can mount that to your PC case, right? You could do a side panel like that. Maybe you want to mount it to the front panel. Same thing. It'll just snap right in. That's a strong magnet. Take your headset and ta-da, there you go. Nice accessory holder for you, for your headset. Now let's grab a cable really quick and let's look at the cable management. So I grabbed a USB Type-C cable right here to Type-A. I thought maybe, just maybe, for this headset in particular, right, we wanted to plug one end into our computer. Then we can route the cable through right here. This cable's pretty slim, so it fits in the channel, but there is some room for it to come free right there. But what we're gonna do is we'll actually put it just like so. We don't really need any more room up top. And now with that magnet, it's stuck in there. And then we can wind the rest of it up inside. So it doesn't matter, you can put a pretty thick cable in here. We could wind most of it up. And then we could hang our headset right, and you can plug the cable in right there. So you get the idea. The cable management is a nice touch, providing support for thin cables like this that won't necessarily fit in there with those little clips to hold it in place, but that doesn't matter because it'll hold itself in place with the magnet. It's not going anywhere. But if you have thicker cables, you'll be able to actually press it down in place there, mount it just like so, and connect to any of your devices that you want to hang right here. And now I want to show you that it also works using the provided adapter for a non-magnetic surface. So we have the tempered glass side panel from the PC behind me, my display PC right there. Also happens to have a coolermaster case. I mean, who would have thought that they make great parts and components? But we can take this case, right? And we're going to take this panel right here. It's not going to stick. There's nothing for the magnet to hold itself up on, but we can position this wherever we want. Got the little arrow pointing up, and then watch what happens. It's on our case now, and we can hang our accessory without issue. I mean, how cool is that? So now let me share with you my final thoughts in regards to the Cooler Master Gem. This is an awesome accessory mount and holder. If you're already building a PC, you have a nice setup at your desk, and you're looking for an accessory holder, be sure to check this one out. It looks so good, and it's very practical and works great. Super thoughtful with the cable management channels. Right here, if you have like a wired headset and you're gonna wanna hang it up, they have you covered. Now, with that being said, the one thing I'd want to see changed with this particular model is the ability to maybe adjust this angle up or down. That would be a nice and welcomed feature to have, just so you can adjust that on your own versus having it in one fixed position. Now, the good news is it's angled perfectly fine. It will work and support the accessory that you want to display here. Also, along those lines, it got me thinking, what if we actually had some Cooler Master Master Plus software compatibility with this, and we could connect, you know, and have ARGB controls? That'd be nice if we had maybe a premium model that supported ARGB. Now I'm thinking about like wireless charging contacts, things like that. That'd be really neat to kind of take this one step further. But for just a simple, nice accessory hanger, looks great. We got black and white options to match your build and maybe your streaming setup aesthetic. And the cable management is well thought out. And the magnetic mount is great, and it's super strong, again, up to around 4-ish pounds.